This presentation is about social constructionism in gender and society. It explains how society teaches us what it means to be male or female and how these ideas affect our behavior. What is social constructionism? Social constructionism means that many ideas we believe in are created by society. These ideas are learned through culture, family, school, and media. They are not something we are born knowing. Sex versus gender. Sex and gender are different. Sex is biological, meaning we are born male or female. Gender is about rules and behaviors that society teaches us, like how to dress or act. Gender roles in society. Society expects boys and girls to act in a certain ways. For example, boys are expected to be strong and girls are expected to be gentle. These roles are learned, not natural. Where gender ideas came from. Our ideas about gender came from many places such as family, school, media, and culture. This institution teach us what is acceptable behavior for male and females. Gender rules can change. Gender rules are not fixed. Today, women can become leaders and engineers, and men can be caregivers or nurses. This shows that gender rules can change over time. Understanding social constructionism in gender and society help us see that gender roles are created by people, not fixed by nature. Because of this, we should respect differences and avoid judging others based on gender. By being open minded, we can help build a fair and inclusive society.